What's the matter, girls? Well, you can blame Eggsmerelda. I had to lock you out. You can't get in. I know. Let me get in here. Heads up, girls. Coming in. Well, Eggsmerelda, what's the problem? Yes, I know you couldn't get in. I know. Why couldn't you? Why couldn't you girls get in there? Because I locked it all up. Oh, are you mad at me? You come flying at me like that? Oh boy, are you mad. Huh? And you? Are you mad? It's because you're in heat or whatever. You're broody. Okay, girls. Come on. Hello, Bunny. Are you mad at me? Bunny, are you mad? Oh, what's your problem, young man? Huh? You don't have a problem. Let's see. I thought I had a way to turn on the light here. Well, let's turn on a different one real quick. Whoop. And bing. There we go, ladies. Oh, girlies. These are the girlies. Kit, Carmen, and Bunny. And there's the sir. Yeah, okay, good night. And here's all the ladies. Well, you're one of the girlies. This is Matilda. And who we got here? Oh, hello, Nugget. And we've got Hannah. And we've got Winnie. And we've got the broody one. Wants in so bad. All right, let's go. Shall we go to bed? Uh-huh. Let's go to bed. Whoop! Wait, I almost tripped. Yes, I almost tripped. Is there a problem there, Bunny? I know. Okay, look out. Look out. Here we go. Here we go. But you can't get in. I got news for you. You can't get in because I didn't open the pup door. Bing! There you go. Everybody in. Everybody in. Everybody in. Go on. You can go in. Go ahead. Oh, is it the light? Is it bothering you? Go ahead. Go ahead. Take your turn. Go on. Yeah. What's the matter, huh? What's the matter, girls? What? 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 Bunny's so pretty. Bunny's so pretty. Yes, you are. Bunny's such a pretty girl. What are you growling at me for, huh? What are you two looking at? Bunny doing all the growling. Look at those green feathers. Look at that. Look at you. Boy, are you mad at me, huh? Okay.